The Meta Horizon store is more competitive than ever. To help you succeed, we've created a set of features that give you a clear path from testing to launch. Let's take a closer look at how this path can help you build momentum and reach players at every step. The journey starts with playtesting. You'll share an early build with a small audience on a private release channel. This lets you gather feedback from testers you trust, fix issues, and refine mechanics before release. Once you're within 180 days of launch, create a coming soon page. Users can wishlist your app and get notified at launch, so you build anticipation while you're still developing. You don't need an app bundle yet, just marketing assets like screenshots. Then, within 90 days of launch, shift to pre-order. This is your chance to start securing revenue. Users purchase in advance, and your app downloads automatically at release, so you hit launch day with an audience in place. But keep an eye out on the calendar. You'll need a production build 2 weeks before launch. Finally, you'll reach release day. If you're still refining, you can enable early access at launch. Early access is like an open beta that lets you bring your app to market while signaling to players that it's still a work in progress. If your app is polished, go straight to full release. No matter which route you take, your audience is waiting and momentum is on your side. The work you've put in finally comes to life. And while release is the milestone you've been working toward, the true reward is knowing you're not stepping in alone.